How you doing again? Right, this is only about 10 minutes after I picked the 140. Um, I'm supposed to be opening a master 7 sorry 170, but I've only got a 175. So I'm gonna pick it, and no matter how long it takes me to do it, I'm gonna pick it. I don't know what the difference is between the 170 and the 175. Is it harder? Easier? I don't know. But, eh, can't be that much different. I'm trying to go up this list as quick as I can. I want to SBP it. Oh, by the way, that there is locked, by the way. Just in case you're wondering. I wouldn't cheat. There's no point in cheating. You're only cheating yourself. And I'm using this wee diamond. I don't know why it's a full diamond or a half diamond. I don't know. But I seem to like it. So, seems to work with me. So, let's have a bit of. I just picked it out there from my master collection. The Sherlock here, and I thought to myself, okay, let's have a bash at this on camera. This is my first time doing this, and I'm going to try and do. Basically, I'm doing a Murloc. I know what he does out of the package, but well, I'm doing it out of the shelf. This might be a total failure, but well, at least it's right. People make and lock picking all the time, make failures in lock picking. So if this is my first, then so be it. Get it out of my road. I don't know what is in this here, to be honest with you. I'm going. Oh, by the way, I'm going to show you the key button after I finish this here. I meant to show it to you before, but I never did. I started at the front here and sort of worked myself a bit back here. Oh, that was tough, boys. That I sort of skid off to the side. I don't know why it done that, but it did. Number one seems to be sticking on me here, Tar. No idea. Oh, I have no idea what pin that is. It could be 3, could be 4. Oh well. I'll give this a few minutes more and then I'm gonna pack it in because I don't know. I'm not clue what I'm doing here, to be honest. Yeah. I'm just picking up pins just for the sake of it. Right, let's get that started again because I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh yes, get in there, get in there, get in there. Now, I don't know why the 550 and the 575 are all the same. Please, please, somebody tell me that they are. This is number 4 or 5 on the list. I have no idea, but some not listed there somewhere. So, oh, the key button. I'm gonna move this across because I don't know where this is on the camera. I'm hoping this is on the camera. Oh, I hope it's on the camera. Right, everybody. This has been a brilliant week for me for SBPing. Right, thank you very much. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.